Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at ArklaTexHomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Monday morning forecast update. We have some beautiful, sunny, and just quiet weather today, but things will change up pretty quick on us as we do have our next cold front on the way. This will be late Tuesday into Wednesday. We could begin to pick up some rain during the day tomorrow, but we do have a window there where we could see a few strong to severe storms, and it's just that time of the year. Every one of these cold fronts that comes in will likely generate some kind of severe weather threat. Thankfully, right now, it looks like a low-end severe weather threat for us, so the issues for us as we go through the next few days, likely going to see some high wind and hail here with these storms late Tuesday, and possibility that we do see some potentially maybe some flooding as well. That would be across the I-30 corridor as we've seen this rainfall kind of add up here over the past few weeks, so we're a little more flood prone just depending on how much rain we get, but I will show you that in just a moment. For your Monday, nothing to worry about out there as we'll start out with those temperatures in the 30s and 40s. Look at satellite, high pressure in control basically right over us today, but as that slides off to the east, and you can see that's already occurring, we will get a southeast breeze off the Gulf of Mexico returning today, so that's what will start to prime the atmosphere for some of this rainfall out ahead of our next cold front. So your highs today, after starting out in the low 40s this morning, we'll see those temperatures wind up in the low to mid 70s this afternoon, and there's a look at our next front, which will be kind of pushed into the region here late tomorrow and into Wednesday as that kind of makes its way across the plains here over the next 24 to 36 hours. There's a look at the severe storm risk Wednesday. Of course, the map I showed you earlier, that was the severe storm risk tomorrow into tomorrow night, and then once we get past sunrise on Wednesday, that threat will shift to the southeast, but very well could see some rain and storms linger through the day on Wednesday. So we'll take a look at how this will all play out on your Robbins Toyota Futurecast for today. Likely you'll feel that wind pick up after the noon hour, about 10 to 15 mile per hour south breeze later this afternoon, but we'll have light wind in place this morning. See how quickly the clouds return tonight. It's possible we could see a few daylight showers for your Tuesday, but the rain chance is pretty low until we get later in the day, and there you see some of those scattered thunderstorms popping up late in the day on Tuesday. That would be our primary severe weather threat right there, with the storms arriving across the I-30 corridor after sunset. So this will be a late night, early kind of Wednesday morning threat for us, but the severe weather window, it's a small one. We'll probably make our way out of that severe weather window pretty quickly as we move into Wednesday morning. Notice there are a few kind of lingering storms there on Wednesday, but right now the potential to see any severe weather after daybreak on Wednesday is looking rather low for us as this front continues to push down to the south. Could see some of that rain linger into the afternoon. Here's what we're looking at as far as the rain right now. We could see maybe some 2 to 3 inch accumulations here between I-20 and I-30, so it's not a widespread heavy rain threat, but more of a confined threat here, especially across the I-30 corridor. So again, that rain will all fall basically during the day Tuesday and into the day Wednesday, but thankfully we do have some dry, comfortable weather Thursday, Friday. Right now, Easter weekend's looking to be a pretty good one, as we should see the highs back into the 70s this weekend. Some of the forecast models suggesting maybe low-end rain chances this weekend, but for now, I'm not seeing enough there to convince me to kind of up those rain chances, so I've left the weekend dry and comfortable as we'll see Easter weekend highs in the 70s.